Shows like Robot Wars in the United Kingdom and Face Off in the United States have inspired young students to make their own machines of destruction. Well, now at Cal U, there's a program where students can take that interest and turn it into a career. One of the many programs Cal U offers is an associate's degree in robotics. This program allows students with an interest in robotics to use these skills and knowledge to earn a degree.
It is a program that focuses on mechatronics, but using robotics to teach those concepts of mechanical, electrical, and programming or control engineering. It's an engineering technology program, so it's not all theories like an engineering program is. It's not a completely hands-on program like a technical technician kind of program. It's the combination where there's hands-on, significant hands-on, but it's combined with the theory.
If students are looking to earn a bachelor's degree, the mechatronics program might be the best option for them.
We do have a 4-year degree in mechatronics. This robotics engineering technology program is the first 2 years basically of that mechatronics, but we focus on robotics, autonomous robotics, as a means of teaching those concepts.
In conjunction with the programs, Cal U has formed a relationship with competitions like Bots IQ and First Robotics. This relationship serves as a way to show local students they have a place to continue working in robotics.
It's very beneficial because it's showing students that, hey, there's a place to go if you're interested in doing hands-on kinds of things. Our department, our university has a big, long history of doing things with hands-on kinds of approaches, and so students see there's this avenue that if I'm interested in combining my interest in mechanical, electrical, and programming kinds of things, I have really 2 avenues. I could pursue the associate degree in robotics engineering technology or our newer mechatronics 4-year program.
So whether you make your own robots or you want to learn more about robotics, you can check out the mechatronics program right here at Cal U. For CUTV News Center, I'm Allison Steinheiser.